Hello and welcome to beautiful Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Dominic DeLuca, and today I have the opportunity to show you this 1991 F33A Bonanza, November 8133 Victor. Let's take a look. .33 Victor has the Continental IO 520 engine producing 285 horsepower. This one has 2,850 hours on it since new, making it the perfect airplane for you to put in an IO 550 300 horsepower upgrade. The Bonanza is every pilot's dream airplane. This 91 F33 is no exception. It only has 2,850 hours on the airframe since new. It's been always kept hangared, has complete logbooks, and has no damage history. .33 Victor carries 80 gallons total of fuel, 74 of which is usable. You'll also notice along our whole leading edge we have TKS-Anti-Ice system, which is perfect for any inadvertent icing.
The paint on November 8133 Victor is in good condition with whisper gray overall and deep blue and black striping.
As we step further back at .33 Victor, we'll find this large baggage compartment door, which can handle 270 pounds of weight as long as you stay within your center of gravity. This gives you plenty of room for all your baggage, golf clubs, or anything else. Let's take a look at the interior of .33 Victor. We have these beautiful leather seats in very good condition. All the sidewalls are in good condition. We have shoulder harnesses, a 4-place intercom system, and factory air conditioning, making this a really comfortable ride for your passengers.
The avionics on .33 Victor include the Garmin GTN 750XI, King KX155, the Garmin GMA 35 audio panel, King KN63 DME, Garmin GTX 345 transponder with ADSB in and out. This will display traffic and weather via ADSB on your Garmin 750XI, WX900 Stormscope weather avoidance system. You have the KFC 150 Autopilot with the slaved HSI and flight directors. This also has a yaw dampener with the King yaw damp system. You have the King KCS-55A slave compass system for your HSI. We also have the Beech Avionics master switch and control wheel mic button. Some other features that you'll enjoy on .33 Victor include factory air conditioning, Rosen sun visors, a digital intercom system, Gami fuel injectors, factory internal corrosion proofing, and more.
So if you're in the market for a prime condition, low time F33A Bonanza with TKS Anti-Ice system, air conditioning, the Garmin 750, and more, come visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina, or give us a call. I'm Dominic DeLuca. Have a great day.